Here we are in a beautiful downtown Taccoa, Georgia. We're gonna walk around town here. Show you the sights. Nice courthouse, right? Taccoa refurbished themselves. That's a couple years ago, about 20 years ago, and covered up the entire street. Not this one, but another one right over here with a roof, because everybody was going to the mall. A lot of towns were doing that back in the 90s or 80s. Maybe it was the 90s and the 2000s. Well, that didn't last very long. They tore that thing out. I'm trying to go here and see what we can get a place to look at. Stevens County. A clock up there. I wonder if that's right. Let's see. Yeah, 12:13 is close. Surprise, surprise. Got some historic buildings here. I'm going to just walk around here and see different sites. So bear with me. I'm having to switch hands because, well, I forget to talk in the right place because my microphone's on the left and I'm thinking on the right. But anyway, this is a historic town. And they wanted to modernize. So I think this next block is where they made the covered section. I don't know, maybe a block over. We'll walk up both of them and we'll see. Maybe we can see where the cover was on the buildings, if they haven't covered it up pretty good with new construction. They got some neat architecture for sure. Antique store here. Let's see, I think maybe I should go over the other side because I'm in the sun and I can't see what I'm looking at. Travel agency. And some antique stuff. Yeah, I think this is a one. Look at that place up there where they had something put in the bricks and they've taken it out. This is where they covered up the whole thing with a mall back in the day. I don't remember when that was, but it was probably in the 90s or early 2000s. Well, apparently people didn't like that, so they ripped it back out again. Malls kind of died. I'll zoom out here a little bit so you can see better. Oh, here we have Santa Claus. That part's covered up. Your pie. Pizza. I'm kind of looking for something to eat. Downtown flowers. These buildings have been here a long time, you can tell. All brick. There's Linda's place. Maybe I'll stop back there and eat there. Looks like they might have something, I don't know. Beautiful sky out here today. We'll go around the corner here. I think that's the end of the main drag. Not really. It goes into a residential area, which is kind of interesting too. Let's see what's down here. I think I'll cross the street. You gotta watch out when you cross the street. These towns, you don't know which is what, where. I was kind of hoping a train would come by. I got a unique bridge here. Little alleyway. Somebody up here might be waiting for a train. Who knows? Yeah, maybe he knows something I don't. Car coming over. Oh, let's take a look at this old tractor here. Wonder where they use that. Been sitting there a while, I guess. Let's walk down here. We get here and see the bridge. There's kind of a cut here, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh, I smell some diesel. They must be using this lately. Or it's leaking one. I'll cut that off.